friends, welcome back to our next step. My name is Pihika and today I am going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to marine life and underwater world. So let's get started. The first word is aquatic. Sentence: dolphins are intelligent aquatic mammals. Synonyms: marine, oceanic. Antonyms: terrestrial, land-based. The next word is submerge. Sentence: the submarine can submerge to the depth of 30 meters. Synonyms: immerse, plunge. Antonyms: surface, emerge. The next word is coral. Sentence: coral reefs provide habitat for thousands of marine species. Synonyms: reef, formation. Antonyms: barren, empty. The next word is current. Sentence: ocean's current influence global climate patterns. Synonyms: flow, steam. Antonyms: stillness, stagnation. The next word is buoyant. Sentence: the life jacket keeps it buoyant in the water. Synonyms: floating, light. Antonyms: sinking, heavy. The next word is tide. Sentence: the tide rises and falls twice daily due to lunar gravity. Synonyms: wave, surge. Antonyms: stillness, calm. The next word is marine. Sentence: scientists study marine ecosystems to understand ocean's health. Synonyms: oceanic, glacial. Antonyms: inland, continental. The next word is depth. Sentence: the ocean's depth in some areas exceed 10,000 meters. Synonyms: deepness, profundity. Antonyms: shallowness, surface. The next word is habitat. Sentence: protecting underwater habitats is crucial for marine biodiversity. Synonyms: environment, ecosystem. Antonyms: wasteland, desert. The next word is navigate. Sentence: whales navigate vast oceans distance during migration. Synonyms: steer, guide. Antonyms: wander, drift. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. 10th word of the day: marine. Your challenge: share your favorite ocean facts of marine animals in your comments. Also try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. If you liked my video, comment, like and subscribe and share with your other friends. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting words. Also make sentences using these words. Bye-bye.